in calling brethren down the road.
Okay.
Because things would attack in our house. And say, which part over there so water run? And the man tell him, say, point B. And he say, because Jayden in a water. So either Jayden in a some shit pit, or Jayden in a some tank, or Jayden whatever have water in the Jayden there.
I remember when they say, they see Jayden at Wesley Road. Me and my team, you can ask welcome, me and my team go out there early. And only person me see it was Mr. T. Him and one of his friend. His friend joined we. And me and Mr. T and my team, my team them split up. Me, Mr. T and his friend, we go in a some bush. I never know say them bush the Mandeville price. I never know them bush the Mandeville. And when we call Ann, she says she have lunch.
Yeah, but tell us the lady with the little boy says she
when
call
the police them come, when the police them come, we done search out the whole of Wesley already. The police them come after 12. At the time we done searches whole of Wesley already. We done get information where we should get already. We done search, we done go in a pit. We done use machete, we go a Villa Road, we go everywhere. We go on that train line every friggin' way. Abandoned building, we looking at tank with this, with that.
Shan, were you there when them did a search upper Mr. T them yard?
Me first one met the police them. We are the first one when the police them go Mr. T yard. The first time I was there.
Did they see no goat blood or blood in the yard as the people
I just say yes.
Or can I just go upstairs, sorry.
Yes.
And them never like take no samples of it. What blood?
It was goat blood.
But did they take any sample?
Listen, the goat just have kid. The goat they just have kid.
What was that? What day was that?
Miss, me can't remember the day.
No, like soon after Jayden come.
Why me I gonna remember the day?
After you have ultimate motive.
Me not remember the day, no. But I remember me and the police them go down there. Because I search and the police them stopping at the Migo Road at the goat farm price. Per New Wales. And the police say, Shad, where to? And we say, are you we a follow now, sir? He said, no, uno we a follow. The police say, social media been saying we must go at the house, go search. Uncle, Mr. T say, yes, let's go to the house. While we go down there, as we go down there, you see the drunk crow fly. The police say, see John Crow fly there. He turned to me and said, go and go look. And me said, come. He said, no, me not. I turned to the next police and said, officer, accompany me, go over there. And one next man go over there and the police, and he take up, he use one stick and touch it. And he see a blood. A goat just have kid. Because in go on at the back, the kid round there, we are talking about Juplum and something. The goat, they just about have kid, like maybe 1 hour ago or something.
Was that the first search you go on at the
first search at the house.
And then search the house that day there?
Yes, the police go in there, then lift up the bed, everything.
Alright, let me ask you this. So when them search the house, what them use? Because normally, let's say forensic would have like some special device where you can see blood splatter. Like even if you clean up the place, you have some special lights where them can use.
I don't know, special police.
So they never have none of that then.
It was Newport police.
So you see
that was the first police search.
Mm-hmm.
Then go in at the house, the police lady go in at the house, Mr. T lift up the bed, everything. The police woman look, he said there's no sign of Jayden in here. No sign of Jayden save upon is right there, said we.
Are you kidding me? That's what the police said. There's no so they might go there for expect to see Jayden there. I really
That's what
that them
they
are going to see how the box said. Something can really go so.
social
them are
media
gonna
look at them,
police
they go look
lazy.
intense Jayden.
But me, I think them are going to go look for see any sign of abuse, any sign of little, you know, foul play happen. Go there with device for check if blood splatter this, that. Are you kidding me?
And the next day go back. Me don't know how the next search go, but me know then go back about 5 at that time.
Because Shenik say a 4th time them go there.
This will come like a movie or a show.
It's like a movie.
Why?
Oh, well, maybe them never prepared then. But I can't believe them go there, lift up bed and look for say pitney underneath bed and there be something there. Are you kidding me?
They never look for pitney underneath bed. Mr. Tia lift up the bed and show them say whatever.
No, Trey said them said he's not
was
there.
still there.
No, Trey said the police come out and said there is no sign of Jayden.
Exactly.
So me I say like, sir, seriously? We not expecting for the down there neither.
Jayden save pan don't touch.
So you see, I lie the people them I tell. Only
So
see
them
they say he empty
alright,
out his
hold on
silver
then.
pan.
No, hold on, because the auntie says a shoes box. There I know.
It's a saving pan.
The auntie,
Here I know.
it's just like a movie.
I need some popcorn.
I can't bother. Wait, what? No, you know what? I gave Jayden the box because the box was Jair, or the shoes I'm going to buy for Jair for go to school. And
Yes,
that is the same
exactly.
box I gave Jayden. And Jayden saved $2,600 in that box and take out $2,000. Okay.
I've been going over the police reports, and I think it's
That was very loud a while ago. Okay.
Yes, she said that exactly. And the 2-year-old baby bought the shoes for him to go to school. How that? She did say that to you.
Asha, let me ask you, because maybe we never hear. So you said she show the police them, or they show the police the saving pan and said that is Jayden saving pan.
I didn't say she, you know.
No, that's why I'm changing and said they, whoever showed the police
Mr.
them.
T.
Show the police them the saving.
Yes, the saver pan, and the police come out and say Jayden saver pan is right there.
So you saw it for saying that
I didn't go in the house, miss.
also you're not sure then if it's a shoes box. It could be a shoes box.
I didn't go in
Shanda, come off a shoes box thing, no, man. The youth same pan is there, man. Come off a shoes box thing, man.
I
The man
didn't
same
go in
pan
the
there.
house.
It's
I
just
have
Mr.
no
T show the
information.
show you. No bother with the shoes box thing and carry going on different face. Lefty, the man same pan did it. No money then come out there.
Price, that's not what I asked. So that's not what I asked. Of course, the shoes, the saving pan would have still there, dear. But she
And
said
money
it's a
in there.
shoes box. And somebody says not a box, it's a pan. It's a total difference. Because if it's a pan, you can clearly see. If it's a saving pan, you would have know if you're something where you broke and take out the money.
Well,
But
the
if
money
it's
is
a
still in
box,
there. The money is still in there. The money is still in there. You know, the girl said the money was still there. The money was still there.
Either you slow or me slow, but okay.
Where I say we no need for go there even have box however. She said up the pan is still there, the money is still there. Cut out the shoes box. What we want is that the money is still there. Lie them I tell. Box start
You
change.
get them out in the man, why? It's peer lie, them a tell you.
Crazy.
You know, go on too much long road. That's how the car reach, you know. That's why we can't
No
reach because we go
price.
too much
Let me tell
long
you
road.
this price. Let me tell you this price.
Girl, make
You
me
know
hear
why me try to ask specific questions to eliminate the people them where I gonna say, oh, but maybe that's not what they meant.
Shanda,
Maybe
darling.
that's not
Shanda,
what
darling.
they meant. So I'm
Shanda,
try to
Shanda,
get
Shanda,
clarification.
Shanda darling, hear what happen. If you're still on this, I try to please where the people them are say listen and I say in a for you page and wherever, you're not gonna get nowhere. You get the answer where you want, the pan is there, the money was there, boom! That a number 1 lie, number 2 lie, number 3 lie. You know business with social media, man. A cracky case. Stop try please these people. They must suck out your energy. Where you try prove to them say are true. You know business what they want, so you know where you get. You get it from the ass's mouth. Save your energy. You know you're picking them to look after. Come to you.
No man, me know say it's a lie from the jump, you know, but that is why I did a clarify it, because now it can lead me for say the police them know where they there and see for themselves say the pan there, so that saving pan story where uno I try to sell people for paint the picture say I run the little boy run with for true cause him taking money as if him had the intention from him there and yard say this him I go do. So that is a story where uno come up with uno orchestrate the story, you know. Uno orchestrate the story and I come and tell people when nothing no go so. Nothing at all no go so. The little boy never had no intention of running when nothing, not even running runway. Uno do something then and come and orchestrate this for cover up whatever uno do.
For me, this solve the case. You know say for me, this solve the case.
Because if you are police and you go there and you see the pan where them say Jayden trouble.
Empty,
and this is not a box like where them I say it is
$2,000 in there.
The pan is intact with everything there. When the lock or come handcuff and start showing our people underneath interrogation and them something there.
Let me try to show you say uno see where I go on. Uno see where I go on. Uno see where I go on.
One question. The police that got to the house, it was Mr. Thomas' brother or aunt cousin?
Aunt cousin.
Well, I peer wrapping up one there, someone. Why?
Aunt cousin.
Was it aunt cousin for true go there?
Aunt cousin go there.
Benti go there?
Am I corporal, you know? So am I corporal and one corporal maybe to the station and
know
the sergeant.
Team name the one who work at Newport. So that one if I him directly go to call these people that make it we be worse. If I him directly go to that day there, the Benti him.
Me say, Jaja City.
Not Benty didn't come with we the first time. It wasn't Benty there the first time.
So there's indeed a Benty then.
So you know Benty. Mm-hmm.
Everybody know Benty.
I tell you same thing like everybody know Benty in the community.
And Benty no family to Ann, man. Benty a family to Ann, you know.
Yeah, Benty because and mother auntie.
Does Benty have a funeral home?
Yes.
In a carriage.
All right. We are there. You see like how you see so? Like how you see so, I'm tell you now. The neighbor say, the person where they live nearby say, when them pick him up off a Perth Road and they analyze him, then carry him to the funeral home.
Me dear.
Okay. Then carry him to the funeral
Feel it
home.
right. They say, so me I tell you, Tiger. Yes, so me I tell you. But I think I get the name of Benty. What name is Benty? But me never tell you what name again, Tiger. But me tell you the same name. And what kind of Bennett? So another Bennett. So another Bennett in name. Me have to go back and look in my phone. I'm going to read out him whole profile, that dirty policeman. They are coming, give me a minute. I'm going to give him name. Him name something another Bennett.
Bennett?
Yeah, that is his right name. But they get it. Hold on, I want to put it though.
He's no Bennett, miss.
Alright, me I go back to the name when I get, because when they check the funeral home page, when I said the funeral home name, Gatekeepers. I said Gatekeepers Funerals. Yeah, in a Clarendon. There was a follower underneath it by the name of Bentley. Hold on.
Brown sugar.
Bennett. I think the person's same name of him.
When name?
No, that's a one different. No, Salu Bennett is a one woman where they died in the community. Salu Bennett. I think I get Benty name, man. I never get Benty name and tell you.
I think I see it as Scott, man. Some name and never say, because them would have checked say him have the same name as them, and the woman said no.
No,
him have the same name as
name
them.
start with investigate no Bent. He like Miss Bent.
Well, man, I have him name. I gotta look back for because I screenshotted it from that page. But I swear I did send Tiger it. I have him name. That dirty man.
But may I tell you, second last name is Bent, not
no,
no
I not
Benty.
say a lie. I tell me know some Bent something.
We call him Benty.
I know some Bent something, but me tell him I have him name. I go back go look for it. Somebody did get it. This man is a wicked. What the damn something there? No mute me, I go look. I'm coming back.
So Tiger.
Yeah.
A queen. So I am confused. So they said that they went to the funeral home. So are we assuming that the bodies at the funeral home it was burned or something? What are we assuming?
Who said who go a funeral home? Who did say that?
The last thing I heard was funeral home. May I cook,
hear
so
that?
I'm in and out.
Oh, shit. Hold on there. We never see. You see the wrong thing. Let me check. Shanda. Yeah, see it here?
The picture?
Yes,
but saying the picture come here today. See him there. That is him. Not him that Shan.
Oh, that's the policeman?
Him that Bent, yeah. I tell you something. It's sent to you by WhatsApp. But check your WhatsApp.
Jaja.
Look.
I think I get the name, man. I know I get the name. Hold on.
Where name Marlon?
No, Bent.
Marlon Bentley name.
Oh.
I'll check again.
He no name no Marlon Bentley.
I have him name. I just have to go through.
Your funeral service and supply. If you have somebody where you want to get them out, talk to me.
This is a corrupt. This you see what they them. You see the police them with them crack down what they put the order in the drugs and whatever. Them need to come scrape up that one year too. Them need to come scrape him up.
Yeah, man.
Too.
Me say
them to come scrape up him because me not think of Jayden alone. Me not think of Jayden alone.
One of the family member know
other things too.
That's why me I tell you say the one of the family member know because
comfortable to come jump in at that
the
one.
family member talk. Oh, Jayden disappear, you know. That's why me tell you say my girl fi go check your brethren because the family member talk. And smaddy in the community, big smaddy in the community too, talk and she say she afraid to even make her husband here. Prominent smaddy in the community. You hear me I tell you no? Tell me I tell you no. If the cousin there, if them really put that cousin there under pressure, you can't talk.
You tell me who are the big smaddy they call. Most of them people they run this are hypocrite, you know.
Oi, me I tell you say you see that woman there, you go believe when you hear say that woman there, me I tell you.
Me I tell you. You hear what me say?
Guys,
most of people they most of
listen me. You see what me talk about her? You are gonna shock. Me I tell you. That's why me tell you me want to see you. That's why me tell you me want to see you. Cause you are gonna say credible.
Guys, at 27 now we now.
You are gonna say that woman they not tell no lie. You say that woman they not tell no lie. You are gonna say it.
Shan, you know one person named Salou Bennett that died?
That's my family too, miss.
Salou Bennett that died. But did she ever set up the same night where Jayden went missing, the Friday? Run by Newfield or something like so?
I mean, I remember when Auntie Salou set up.
Alright, was you at the setup? Were you at the setup?
And my family, so me have to go and set up.
And did they have the setup?
Me nah look for miss.
No, because I heard that the setup was the same night that Jayden went missing.
It's a big setup and me nah walk and look for Anna setup.
Around a Newfield it keep.
Yes.
Alright. So the person now lie, the person said Ann was there. Ann was there, and it was the same night where Jayden went missing. The same Friday night, them say was a setup. They all went there.
And they said they don't do a look for Jayden PP
clock. Yeah, they were at the setup. And them said the way all them say if you see how Anna laugh, Anna go laugh, well happy. Never look like nobody did miss it for her, my love. That is what I heard from the grapevine. And you come confirm that somebody in True died named Salou Bennett and the setup was keeping for True at Newfield.
So there was a setup that night.
The same night Jayden went missing by
in any country district when setup going on, the whole district turn up. So they know the night when no one will be on the road to do their thing.
That's why they're so comfortable. Notice how they're comfortable. They don't have to worry about nothing because they feel like they have their tracks covered.
Devil is a liar. Hard word for the little boy.
All of them are work together, man.
Well, you know what? If Jayden family, if his mom was somebody, they wouldn't do that. Just because they know the woman homeless and Jayden have nobody.
Dirty Ben. That is why when we got the station in the morning, for growing at the pan, in the pan one piece of argument, the pan not deep, and the pan not this, and the pan not that. And that is why I go back to the other policeman. When we're supposed to go down at all party, I say, him never know that this man was family to them. Him thinks he just grew up in a community with them. So now that me I tell him, say, Benta family, he must say, no, but me have to bring it up in the meeting where we are going. Me say, no, I'm a family. He say, him never know. Because all this time, Bent uncle talk, but him thinks say Bent just grew up in a community. Him say, no, I the lady, because I never even know say auntie if you call lady, me I say, lady cousin and my Bent Chambati. So that's why now the inspector lady, the acting commissioner lady, second in command, say, I hear you mention something about a family member. And I say, yes, man, the corporal man. She said, 2 stripe. I say, yes. She said, no, man, I need to investigate this. So I realize, say, this boy is a culprit in the case. Big culprit. Because he's not a bright boy, no. He's not a bright boy.
He's a criminal. He's a criminal.
He's not a bright boy. He's a damn, with his home back, in home plaque or something, who like to tell you lick dog. I saw him.
Like he's a Ben Cup. He's a Ben Cup.
Dangerous boy, this man.
Yeah, he not belong there, so none at all.
And when me call,
the first time into that, you know.
When I got CIB, I tell you, I work with the police them because when I got CIB, I talk to CIB. CIB call, and he must say, oh, the Rasta blogger.
You must work with them because. Yes.